Hey, bad. It's got to take a picture. Really fine people. Oh, look at the road. This is crazy. Oh, I don't want to drop this phone, do I? I think when we get to work tomorrow, we'll decide which of these are going on YouTube. What's this car doing here? You ain't gonna get down there. Total destruction of the barn. I'm in, sorry.